Good morning students, welcome back to today classes. And today class I am going to give a revision. First round letter, choose the correct answer. CHOOSE, choose. THE, the correct. CORRECT, correct. Answer ANSWERS, choose the correct answer. The first one, the earth is also known as the dash planet. THE, the earth. EARTH, earth. ISS, ALSO, also. KNOWN, known. ASS, THE, the earth is also known as the dash planet. Option A, red planet. Option B, blue planet. Red spelling RED, red. Planet PLANET, planet. And the second option, blue planet, BLUE, blue. Planet PLANET, blue planet. So the earth is called a blue planet. The answer is blue planet. And the second one, what causes day and night? WHAT, what causes? CAUSES, causes. Day, DAY, day. and night, NIGHT, what causes day and night? Option A, rotation, ROTATION, rotation. Option B, revolution, REVOLUTION, revolution. So which one causes day and night? So எதனால நம்ம வந்து day and night வந்து பார்க்க முடியும் அப்படின்னா வந்து the answer is rotation. Rotation spelling is ROTATION, rotation. And the third one, the earth spins about an imaginary line called dash. The THE, the earth. EARTH, earth. Spins, SPINS, spins. About, ABOUT, about. An imaginary, IMAGINARY, imaginary. Line, LINE, line. Called CALLED, called dash. So the earth spins about on specific line. So that line is called imaginary line. So what is the answer? So option A. So do you know what is option A? Option A, it's called axis, and option B, it's called orbit. Axis spelling is AXIS, axis. Orbit, ORBIT, orbit. So the answer is orbit. So the earth spins on imaginary line. It's called axis, AXIS, axis. And the fourth one, the earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path is called a dash. So the earth revolves around the sun, isn't it? So the earth revolves around the sun in on a fixed path, so that the path is called a dash. Option A, axis, AXIS, axis. Option B, orbit, ORBIT, orbit. So the answer is orbit. Orbit spelling is ORBIT, orbit. And the fifth one, how long does the earth take to complete one rotation? HOW, how long. LONG, long. Does, DOES, does. THE, the earth. EARTH, earth. Take, TAKE, take. TO2, complete. COMPLETE, complete. ONE1, rotation. ROTATION, rotation. Dash. So the earth takes to complete one rotation. How long? So how long earth takes to complete one rotation? Option A, 24 hours, HOURS, hours. Option B, 2 days. So which one is the correct answer? So 24 hours the earth takes to complete one rotation. So how many hours do you know? So its answer is 24 hours. Dear students, so learn this 5 choose and to your exam portions. So this is your exam portion. So lesson 1, our home, and lesson 2, looking at the earth. So these 2 lessons you are having in your exams. So prepare for your exams. Thank you.